happy Astroversary. A 2-year ride that is still one of my favorites. Album means so much to me. To everyone that plays and rages to that soundtrack. I love you. Let us keep the ride going. See you all in 2021 in Utopia.